Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to Lesson 1.2.2 on other compound meters. When we were looking at simple meters, we started out with 2-4, which typically has 2 beats in a bar, then we looked at 4-4, which typically has 4 beats in a bar, and 3-4, which typically has 3 beats in a bar. So, the last lesson we looked at 6-8, which typically has 2 beats in a bar. Now we're going to be looking at other compound meters that have other numbers of beats in a bar, typically. I keep saying typically because there are instances where you could have, say, a bar of 4-4, but it's felt with 2 beats to a bar, or 1 beat to a bar, or 8 beats to a bar, depending on the tempo. This is just what's most common. So 6-8 typically is 2 beats in a bar, and you would expect something twice as big to have 4 beats in a bar, so by math, that would be 12-8. So here's an example of a rhythm in 12-8. You'll notice we have the dotted quarter rests that represent 1 beat of silence. So this line would sound like this. 1, 3 keyta, 4 keyta, 1 keyta, 2 keyta, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1. And then we also have 9-8, which typically has 3 beats in a bar. I like to introduce these 3-beat meters last because reading and performing rhythms in 3 is less natural for us as human beings. We have 2 feet, so like when we're walking, all of our movements are based in 2s, so doing something in 3 is just a little weirder for us as human beings. So here's an example of a rhythm in 9-8. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1 keyta, 2 keyta, 3 keyta, 1. Then, in terms of compound meters, we also deal with a meter that typically has 1 beat in a bar, specifically 3-8. So, all of your beat numbers are just going to be 1 over and over. So here's an example. 1, 1 keyta, 1 keyta, 1, 1. There aren't that many different measure types that we can have at this point, because it could be a dotted quarter note, or 3/8 notes, or dotted quarter rest. Those are your only options right now. So, those are some more principles of compound meter. Go ahead and check out some examples, and I'll see you next time.